Rojo. Mhm.
Okay, what you want me to do with Ryan Dudley?
You let him stay right there. The probation officer is here for him.
And Mr. Hill's client is Rojo.
You got the file.
Just these two?
Yeah.
Okay. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking, driving, chewing of gum, playing with dogs and cats. When your name is called, please give the court your full divided attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Pelton. Good morning, Mr. Hill. This
Morning.
is the People versus Raul Rojo. Ticket number B808528 count one, operating with blood alcohol content of 0.17 or more. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Hill.
For the record, Attorney Daniel Helf on behalf of the defendant.
Rojo, say your name, please. You're muted, sir. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Say it again.
Raúl Rojo.
Mr. Hill, how does your client wish to proceed?
Well, I received additional discovery today, and I believe that the people are going to make an offer to resolve this case that I'm going to need to discuss with Mr. Rojo. I'm asking if we could come back maybe on July 20th for another pretrial, hopefully a resolution.
You want to set it for a bench trial, Mr. Hill?
Your Honor, I think this matter will resolve. So I'm just asking for a pretrial date at the present time.
Is it July 20th?
If it's available for the court.
All right, so we'll come back July 20th. I hope you're right, Mr. Hill. July 20th at 8:35.
Great, thank you, Your Honor. I'll call you after we hang up, Mr. Rojo. Thank you. Have a great day.
Is it Dudley?
Your Honor,
Yes.
could we bring out Tonetta Denton so that Ms. Cole and I may place that matter on the record?
And then we'll do Dudley.
Sorry, thank you.
She's not coming out. You might have to go and get her.
No problem.
Oh, no, she's out. Don't
Okay.
leave. Okay.
Mm.
All right, this is versus Tonetta Denton.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ticket number P337528, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with people.
May it please this honorable court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court and good morning to your staff. Cherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Ms. Denton. Ms. Denton, please state your name for the record.
Tonetta Denton.
I think this is set for a pretrial. Ms. Cole.
Your Honor, the people we are unable to proceed on this matter. We do not have a witness at this time. The witness no longer works for the police department.
So with that, you're moving to dismiss Ms. Harris,
I am, Your Honor.
and you have no objection, Ms. Cole. I guess you stipulated. So it's dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Denton. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. think I can,
Mr.
I'm going to leave now.
Dudley. All right, this is the people versus Ryan Dudley. Case number 194879662. Just count one, blockading, impeding traffic. Ticket number 194879652. Count one, open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting.
Ryan Dudley.
Okay.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Dudley.
And good morning, Your Honor. Myra McCall on behalf of the Probation Department. Good morning.
All right, this is, I think this is a probation review. So, Ms. McCall, you may proceed.
Your Honor, I'm gonna bring you up to date on Mr. Dudley. Mr. Dudley was placed on probation on August 15th, 2019 for 18 months. He was ordered to pay $860 in assessed fines and costs, and probation should run concurrent with the following cases: 19487, 9651, 9652, 9661, and 9662. Mr. Dudley was ordered to complete outpatient treatment. He was ordered to complete the alcohol highway safety class, as well as the driver simulator class, attend the victim's impact panel, random urinalysis twice per month, shall not use or possess any illegal substance unless prescribed by a doctor, shall not consume any alcohol beverages, and complete 8 hours of community service. Mr. Dudley last appeared with the Honorable Christina Robinson Garrett on April 23rd, 2021, and by Zoom, and he was instructed to enroll in a payment plan on his tickets and return by May 24th, 2021. And his prior appearance was on April 6th, 2022, and that date was scheduled for adjournment to today. And at this time, Mr. Dudley has completed the victim's impact panel, as well as the alcohol highway safety class. He has provided verification of completing the outpatient treatment, the 80 hours of community service. In regards to the driver simulator class, that class is no longer offered, so that was deleted from the order, and he has paid his fines and costs in full. This case was adjourned for 30 days back in April 2021, and he has a traffic balance of $1,976. Just to inform the court, he does have a pending court date scheduled for September 9th, 2022 by Zoom at 1:30. And let's see, and Mr. Dudley had provided verification of incarceration of May 2021 until November 2nd, 2021, just to inform the court. He had violated a PPO order and he was incarcerated for that ticket. And the probation department was going to recommend that Mr. Dudley enroll in that payment plan and return by August 15th, 2022 for that compliance.
All right, Ms. Harris, do you have any response?
Your Honor, I would just ask the court to follow the recommendation of the probation department, especially considering he has another matter upcoming, and it seems as if he's been in full compliance thus far.
So, Ms. McCall, you said you want him to come back on August 22nd?
August 15th, if that's a good date for you.
See, that's the date that his next court date is.
No, his next court date is scheduled for September 9th. Well, the end of this probation will end. It'll be 2 years up on August 15th. So that's the only reason why I did. Well, yeah, but we can do it then if you want. If you want to do it in September, that'll be after this court date. That'll be fine too. Give them enough time to enroll in that payment plan. If you like a September date after the 9th. That's okay. That's fine with me.
She gotta come report back.
That's true. No
All
problem.
right, so
We could do that.
Mr. Dudley, I don't know if you heard, we're just gonna, set your next date for the September date. Cause you gotta come back anyway, so that you can get everything taken. Yes, sir?
Question, I mean, because, I can say by the end of the week, I can try to get enrolled into some type of payment plan. I don't really want to wait to be released from probation all the way to a matter handling another matter about tickets. So, I mean, I can like try to get that done sometime this week. Cause I mean, this thing is like 2 years old.
Okay, so why haven't you gotten it done within the 2 years? I mean, now
I mean,
we're really just talking about a matter of weeks. So I mean, so this is something you could have done before you haven't.
I mean, just due
So
to,
hold on, so we were saying we were just gonna, since you had to come back anyway, it was just a matter of just, I don't know, what was it, about 2-3 weeks? But now you can't wait 2-3 weeks, and now you're pressed to get enrolled in the program, the payment plan rather, when you haven't done it up to this point?
I mean, Your Honor, I mean, a lot been going on, especially financially. I really just been able to land a good job. I mean, at first I was working for a corned beef restaurant, but I mean, my money is a little bit better, and I mean, I've been incarcerated. I mean, I've been trying to get everything together.
Mr. Dudley, the thing I do also want you to recognize is it also was a matter of convenience for you so that you didn't have to zoom in potentially twice. You could just have everything on one court date. So would that September date, since you're already going to be here, be fine with you? Because if you've done what you needed to do, you can always reach out to Ms. McCall and let her know that.
And the
So you said
probation
just do it.
department. And Mr. Dudley, and also, if you want to get enrolled in the payment plan sooner, you can. We're not stopping you from doing that. You can continue to do that if you want to do it next week, this week, the following week. Go ahead and get enrolled in the payment plan and return on September 9th, 2022. You got a court date on that date at 1:30, and we can handle the matter on the same date. That's what we're saying. You can get enrolled in the payment plan early as you like.
It's gonna be the same Zoom number?
Yes.
All right.
But my concern for him would be his court date for September 9th, because he's scheduled at, I think he said 1:30, or would he be coming at?
We're gonna move it to 8:35.
Okay.
We're gonna rein him as of today. And we'll do it. Right.
Okay, so everything will be at 8:30. No problem.
Sorry about. Do you have those numbers for September?
Yes,
Yeah, that's
it's
what we'll do.
SP 129-19461 and 462. And 462.
Any other questions, Mr. Dudley?
No, ma'am.
And I think the only requirement he has to complete is just the payment plan, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Anything else? I mean, would he still be supervised for those extra couple weeks, or?
Yes, he'll still be in supervision mode.
Okay, so you're all set.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And good luck, Mr. Dudley.
Thank you, Attorney Harris.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Sorry, but they kicked me out of the thing.
Did they kick you out or did you leave?
No, I don't know what happened. Somebody called my phone and then it just canceled out.
Okay, and you decided the curiosity killed the cat. What is your name again?
Deontay Dorsey.
Yeah, that's right.
I was gonna put, yeah. You need me to
Can
put
we,
it on?
can we go ahead and call his, Your Honor? I think that's a trial date.
Sit up, Mr. Dorsey.
Okay. I'm ready. How you doing?
Fine.
They would say September. It's gonna be a trial.
Okay, Mr. Dorsey, court is still in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Please give the court your full attention.
Okay.
Find somewhere, sit down, and be still.
Okay.
One second.
Mr. Chair, who we calling next?
Yeah.
I believe it's Mr. Dorsey's case.
Versus Deontay Dorsey. Ticket number P1159-869, count one, fails to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Dorsey. Mr. Dorsey, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Deontay Dorsey.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial in these matters. I do not believe the complaining witness has appeared. We would move for dismissal.
This matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:17, and no complaining witness has appeared. So the court will dismiss this without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dorsey. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Could we do Ramirez? Was Laura Ramirez checked in?
Yes. I'll bring her out.
Thank you.
You don't have that up to.
Ms. Ramirez, turn on your video and unmute your device. Laura Ramirez. Unmute your device.
Okay, sorry.
One moment, please.
Ms. Ramirez, could you go somewhere where you can be seen? It's dark.
Oh, sorry. Give me a second. I'm sorry. I'm here.
Court's back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Please give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
People versus Laura Ramirez. Ticket number SP1227518, count one, no insurance. Count two, open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. And count three, leave scene of accident, personal injury attempted. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Ms. Ramirez, please state your name for the record.
Diana Rios.
Your Honor,
Are you Laura Ramirez?
That is my middle name. Laura is my middle name. Ramirez is my second last name.
did you get tickets in the name of Laura Ramirez?
Yeah.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. I do not believe complaining witness has appeared. We would move for dismissal.
All right, this was set for trial at 8:30. It is now 10:20. No officer has appeared, so this is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set, Ms. Rios, Ramirez, and good luck to you.
Thank you. Wait, what happened?
You got
It was
dismissed.
dismissed.
Fine. That's fine.
So it's over?
It's
It's
over.
over. You won.
Thank you.
Good job.
Who else?
LaJuan Davis.
Who?
LaJuan Davis
Okay.
or LaJuan. Depends on how you pronounce it.
And
Ms. Harris, real quick, is Corporal Baker still here?
yes,
Okay.
who else, Sherika?
Davis Doffett, Dean Davis Doffett.
Who else?
Pretty much everyone except for breakout room 13. Rucker is the only one I didn't speak with.
Okay, hold on. Except for 13.
Or 12. I'm sorry, it was breakout room 12.
Okay, I'm glad you said that.
Yes.
Please keep your phones on mute, please. Please keep your phones on mute until your name is called.
Hello?
Please be quiet until your name is called.
You said my name?
Please, Miss Angela Raby, please wait till your name is called.
Okay.
Dozier.
right,
Dozier. Hold on. Okay. Okay, everyone, court is still in session with the Honorable Raeigen presiding. Please give the court your full attention when your name is called, unmute your device, and please refrain from all noise background. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus LaJuan Davis. Ticket number U-563-893-20, count 1, offer to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, please state your name.
LaJuan Davis.
Your Honor, I believe we also have probation officer Driscoll here.
Jennifer O'Driscoll on behalf of the probation department.
Correct. Officer O'Driscoll, did you want to?
Yes,
Is this
sorry.
Is this a probation review or is it?
This is a probation review. The defendant was actually resentenced on March 30th of 2022 by Judge Martin Clark. He had his delayed sentence revoked due to non-compliance. So on March 30th of 2022, that delayed sentence was revoked and he was sentenced to a regular term of probation with a 12-month period. He has signed up he has completed the misdemeanor morality program thus far, and he's completed the HIV STD testing.
Judge Carter.
Judge, Ms. Carter wishes to waive her right.
You can proceed, Officer O'Driscoll.
Thank you, Your Honor. He was supposed to sign up for the mandatory payment plan within 30 days in order to start making payments. Thus far, he's made about $15 worth of payments. He is working on attempting to get this case paid in full. He also was ordered to complete the 20 hours of community service. He has not yet started those and was instructed to contact his community service site immediately to see what they could do to work around his schedule. So that's where we currently stand at this time. The probation department is just requesting that the case be continued to term, which would be March 30th of 2023, in order for the defendant to come into full compliance and be able to successfully complete this probation.
Any response, Ms. Harris?
Your Honor, I will just say that Mr. Davis and I did discuss the same thing, so he understands what he needs to do, and he is working towards successfully completing his term of probation. So we would ask for possibly another review date if the court is inclined prior to the expiration of his probation term.
Officer O'Driscoll, you're requesting a date in March, is that correct?
Yes, his original discharge date, which would be continued, which would be his expiration date of his probation. The court order says that that's already scheduled for March 30th. However, the JIS indicates that it's scheduled for March 20th of 2023. So the probation department is just requesting that we continue to term, which is March 20th of 2023.
Okay, I'll set it for March 20th, 2023 at 8:35. And anything further on behalf of the parties?
Nothing, Your Honor.
Nothing on behalf of probation.
Thank you, Officer O'Driscoll.
Defendant Lewis, Dennis, Mr. Dennis. You, Mr.
Yeah.
You gotta put a shirt on, Mr. Dennis.
Yeah,
And you have to have a seat. You are in court.
Boy. And Ms. Harris, what's going on with Ms. Dixon?
Ms. Dixon is a full dismissal, is my understanding.
Is it for documents?
Ms. Dixon. No, there are two recommendations. There's a state recommendation and a city recommendation.
I'm just asking because our corporal is here.
No, I have Brianna Dixon. I'm sorry. Not
Okay,
LaShawn Dixon. LaShawn Dixon, there is a call to the court regarding her matter because if I'm not mistaken, she's in custody in the Oakland County Jail.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you. I thought I heard, yeah.
So can we release Corporal Baker then at that point?
I think so. Are we gonna reschedule that matter, Ms. Harris?
Let's have it.
Yes.
Yes, the judge is gonna reschedule it. Okay.
Hold on, Corporal Baker. We'll give you a date.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, no problem.
So, Corporal Baker, we'll just adjourn it to August 4th at 9.
What was that, Judge?
August 4th at 9.
Okay, sounds good, Your Honor. All right, thank you.
No,
Have a great day.
Corporal Baker, you'll just appear, you don't need another subpoena? You all set?
If they can send one out, that'd be great.
Okay, yeah, she's gonna send you one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, take care. Thank you.
All right. No.
Yeah, you right on. Right, okay. All right, this is the people versus Dean Davis Doucette. Ticket number P1215101, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Jerica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
And Davis Doucette.
Your Honor, there is a written recommendation for a dismissal. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate the probable cause.
And this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Davis, you're all set. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Mr. Lewan Davis, I believe you are free to leave as well.
Okay, thank you.
Versus Latricia Day, ticket number X3801671, count 2, no operator's license, multiple ops, no ops. And I think that is it. So, morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Chair Eka Harris on behalf of Ms. Day. Ms. Day, please state your name for the record.
Latricia Day.
Your Honor, we have discussed this matter. It was my understanding that she was supposed to complete community service. She was unable to get that completed by today's date. We are respectfully requesting a 30-day adjournment, Ms. Day. Not on the video screen.
Oh,
We
I'm
are
sorry.
respectfully requesting an adjourned date so that she might complete that community service. 30 days would be sufficient, Your Honor.
To complete 8 hours, was it just 8 hours of community service? She needs 30 days to complete 8 hours of community service? Is that what she was ordered? You were, Ms. Day, you were ordered 8 hours of community service?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you working, ma'am?
I am. Yes, ma'am.
And, Your Honor, speaking on behalf of the people, just the reasoning, Ms. Day, for you having been unable to complete the community service.
My work schedule was, like I explained to the attorney, my work schedule is kind of hectic and out of my control. Sometimes I'm ordered to do 12 hours and sometimes weekends. So I really don't know when, I don't know how my schedule, it fluctuates so much, Your Honor. So that's why I hadn't been able to do the community service.
Let me ask you this, Ms. Day. If your work schedule is so hectic and it fluctuates so much, how are you sure that you're gonna be able to do these 8 hours of community service in this month?
Your
Just
Honor,
like-
if I can, on behalf of Ms. Day, she works for an automotive company. So they are currently on a shutdown period. So as I've instructed her, it would be best that she does it now while she is not working. So we were under the impression that it might have been more than 8 hours. So that's why I asked for 30 days. But because we know that it is just 8 hours, she should be able to do that fairly quickly since she has this period of time where she's not working.
8 hours. That's what it is. All right, so I'll give you a month.
And if it is okay with the court, if she completes that within the next week or so, would she be able to Zoom in or provide that proof to the court?
Sure.
So Ms. Day, as soon as you complete that, you need to contact the court so that they can have it and update your file immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
In the meantime, her next date will be July 27th at 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
That wasn't a delayed sentence or anything, right? That Mr. Chair.
Just in lieu of fees.
Okay.
Just gotta show proof. But if she does, assume that she can come back. All right, are we ready on Lewis Dennis? This is the People versus Lewis Dennis, ticket number P11973999. Count 1, drove unlicensed, not valid or proper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Chair Eka Harris on behalf of Mr. Dennis. Mr. Dennis, please state your name for the record.
Louis Dennis.
Your Honor, we have discussed the cases before the court. We've discussed the current recommendation. There are proofs that Mr. Dennis would be able to provide to help resolve his matters. However, he does have a court hearing coming up with regards to more matters, and that is scheduled for September 23rd at 1:30. We are hoping that the court would allow him to combine all of those matters on the same date so that he might come on September 23rd to resolve his matters. Could he have an 8:30 court appearance for all of his matters?
Yeah, we'll adjourn it to, what was it, September 23rd?
Yes, ma'am.
What, 1:30? Was it at 1:30?
1:30, yes, sir.
Okay, how many tickets is it, Ms. Chair? Because, I mean, I gotta go find all those files.
Right, he needs to know, how many other tickets do you have, Mr. Dennis? 'Cause
It's
we're not-
it's um it's the same tickets I just got. So it's probably like
Give
no.
us the ticket numbers, because it's not our job to look for your tickets, it's your responsibility to know what you got, so.
Could y'all would y'all give me a minute to find them or something? I just got the date wrote down in the courtroom and the time.
Okay, we'll go, you know how to tickets?
I'm about to check right quick. All right. All right.
Do we call it? Did you, Brianna, did you call
All
it?
right, this is the people versus Tyrone Dozier, ticket number Z794967. Count one, operating while visibly impaired. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Dozier. Mr. Dozier, please state your name for the record. Take yourself off of mute, please.
Tyrone Dozier.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that today is the date and time set for a discharge hearing, that the court should be presented with discharge paperwork, and we would respectfully request that the court sign those and enter those, please and thank you.
The court is in receipt of discharge paperwork, and it is a motion indicating that defendant has successfully completed the terms and conditions of probation. The defendant has completed the terms and conditions with the 37th sobriety court and was discharged on March 29th, 2022. Probation department recommends that the defendant be discharged and this case be closed with improvement. So with that, the court is going to grant this motion and discharge you from probation, Mr. Dozier.
Thank you.
So you are all set.
Okay.
Good luck to you.
All right.
This is the people versus Angela Raby. Ticket number B124235, count one, harboring an unlicensed dog. Good morning, please. Oh. Also here on ticket number B124236, count one, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination against rabies. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Is there one more ticket? I think there's one more ticket.
Yes. Hello?
Hold on, give me one moment. There's also ticket number B124237, failed to provide a leash and or responsible person for dog, the owner's property. All right. Now, good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Robbie. Ms. Robbie, please state your name for the record.
Angela Robbie.
Your Honor, I'm not certain if Madam Prosecutor is in the courtroom, if she wanted to place her appearance.
She's not in the courtroom.
Okay, Your Honor, with regards to this particular case, Ms. Robbie has indicated that she used the 36th District Court's website to upload evidence, possibly videos, and or any other documentation. I am not certain if Madam Prosecutor has had an opportunity to review that. I've advised Ms. Robbie of that. And I know that she is hoping for a dismissal based on her submitting those documents and videos.
So
at this time. Okay, thank you.
Sure. All right, I see Mr. Dennis is back. Have you found the ticket? That's wonderful. So can you give us the ticket numbers? Mr. Dennis, did you hear me?
Hello?
Ms. Ray, we're gonna recall your case.
Hello?
Ms. Robbie, we're gonna recall
Yes.
your case. Okay, we're waiting for the prosecutor. We'll recall it, so just be patient, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Dennis, you found the ticket? Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me?
I hear you.
I hear you.
Mr. Dennis, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes. Did you find the ticket, sir?
Yes, I did.
What's the ticket number?
Oh, P 1354312. And then it's another one.
Go ahead.
P 1354296.
Any more? Any more? Is that it?
Yeah.
So those are all the tickets that you have. We'll set all of those for September 23rd
Okay.
at 8:35.
Okay. September 23rd at 8:35.
Yes, this is like the only notice you'll get, so make sure you write it down.
Okay. All right.
Any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Horn, I don't know if Ms. Harris wants to speak with you.
And yes, Your
Yes,
Honor, she did send me a message.
Are you ready on Ms. Robbie?
Let's see, let me check my email.
So Ms. Horn, she uploaded this via the 36th District Court's evidence submission link.
Okay, and that is Miss. Okay,
Rabi, R-A-B-Y.
okay, here we go.
But Your Honor, in the meantime, we are ready on Brianna Dixon, if you wanted to call that one. If not, we can wait. No worries.
And let me take a look. Let me mute myself. And Ms. Harris, we can just set Ms. Raby's matter for trial. I'd rather our investigator get here. And if she does have video to submit, I can put my email address in the chat.
Fortunately, she's a phone caller, so she wouldn't see your chat. But thank you.
Nope, thank you.
Calling the People versus Angela Robbie. Ticket number is B124235, count 1, harboring and a licensed dog. Ticket number B124236, fails to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination against rabies. And then ticket number B124237, failed to provide a leash and or responsible person for a dog on the owner's property. Again, good morning. Please state your name for the record, starting with.
Okay, good morning. Thank you. Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Robbie. Ms. Robbie, please state your name again for the record.
Angela Robbie.
Your Honor, we're requesting a trial date, please and thank you. Based on the, I guess, off the record conversation that we had, that the video still needs to be reviewed and Ms. Horn needs time to speak with her investigators as well.
All right, and this would be a bench trial, Ms. Harris?
Yes, please and thank you.
Okay, Ms. Robbie, you understand what's going on, that we're gonna set it for a bench trial so that the prosecutor has additional time to speak to the investigator?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
It's also,
I'm sorry.
no,
Go ahead.
it's just off my understanding that there is some evidence that needs to be submitted to the people. And the people are also asking that on the date and time of bench trial that Ms. Rabbie has her video and audio capabilities ready for trial.
You understand that, Ms. Robbie, you need to get someone to assist you so that you can zoom in with video.
Zoom in or put it up or send it through email the way I did before.
Well, it'll probably be easier to deal with everything if we can see you on the video.
If you can actually see the video.
So Your Honor, I think there's confusion. Ms. Robbie, they're asking that you, when you come back for your trial date, so that you're able to be seen. So they have to be able to see you. You're going to have video capability so that they can see you and not just dial in on the phone. With regards to your evidence, I am not certain how the court wants to handle that.
Okay. So I have to have Zoom capabilities on whatever date that's scheduled.
Right, on August 4th.
There's a link photo evidence. On the
I
website.
actually have an appointment on that day. Is there another day? Hello?
Give me one moment, please.
Thank you.
How about August 3rd at 9?
Your Honor, that's my actually birthday, please.
Okay, was that you can't come to court on your birthday?
The 19th is better, please.
19.
You out that week. Let's go. 29.
We'll do July 29th at 9.
Okay.
Can you raise your right hand, Ms. Robbie?
Say that one more time, please, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand that you do have the right to a jury trial.
Okay. Yes.
Has anyone threatened, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set it for a bench trial date on July 29th.
And Your Honor, the people have a conflict on that date. I'm actually at a convention that whole week, July 25th through the 29th.
What about the 19th, July 19th?
That looks like a, yes, Shauna.
Okay, no, we'll do.
I didn't hear the date. I didn't hear the date that you, can you repeat the date, please?
We'll do August 19th.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
And Ms. Rabi, do you have a pen and paper where you can write? My name's Tamika Horn. I'm the city attorney. And you state that you have some evidence. If you can send that directly to me for review.
Absolutely. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, it's Horn Time, HORNETOM, all one word.
Okay.
At Detroit MI.
Okay.
.gov, like Victor.
All right.
And my direct phone number is 313.
Okay.
628.
Okay.
4239.
Okay. I want to repeat at HORNETOM at DECMI.gov 313-628-4239 and Mrs. Tamika Horn.
Yes, and the email address is, I'll repeat it, horntime, all one word, HORN like Nancy, E, T like Terry, OM like Mary.
Yeah.
At Detroit, spelled fully out, Detroit, DETROIT.
Okay, let me change that. Okay, Detroit.
MI.
Okay.
.gov, G-O-V.
And say your position one more time, please. Your title?
I'm Assistant Corporation Counsel, Prosecution.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Okay.
you're all set, Ms. Robbie. Good luck, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Ms. Warren. All right, this is the People versus Brianna Dixon, ticket number P104085, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number X3737679, count one, fail to stop within assured clear distance, accident, and then count two, no insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Dixon. Ms. Dixon, please state your name for the record.
Brianna Dixon.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that the two matters that appear on the docket, the no insurance misdemeanors, are being dismissed by way of written recommendations. I believe that the count one, which was the civil infraction, has been paid or is closed.
Okay, so you stipulate the probable cause?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Dixon. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Are you ready on Kalia Rucker?
I don't have a recommendation for Rucker.
Mr. Chair, I sent you about 4 or 5 recommendations, but one that record it's not included in that.